Form up! Control, this is Delta, confirming 1-9 report. First drop zone aborted. We are at East Barricade. I repeat, East Barricade, over.
Copy that, Delta. Be advised, there are survivors at 2-5's crash site.
Then that's our first stop. What's the situation on the ground?
You have two options, Delta. You can take the street, or move through those buildings ahead of you.
We'll take both. Baird, you're with me. Cole, Dom, take the street. We'll cover you.
Will do.
Well then, Control, we'll take both. Baird, you're with me. Gus, Dom, take the building and cover our back.
Will do.
Drop it! Now!
They're not going anywhere yet.
All right. Dom and I will go ahead, clear the way. You catch up when you can.
Up there!
God damn! Is this ever gonna end?
Control, this is Delta. Go ahead.
I'm detecting seismic activity inside the house. There might be locust tunnels inside.
Copy that, Anya. We are aware.
Woo! Yeah, baby! What's up, ladies?
Locusts are inside.
There's something else here too, an APC behind the house. Now we can get out of this shithole. No offense.
Yeah, an APC. Don't work though.
I told you I'd fix it.
Listen up. We don't have much time. Get back there and make sure that APC works. We're going in.